All right, so for today, you're submitting your first blog entry. And so I think the easiest one that I told most of you to do was prediction. Again, if you started doing connection or any of the other ones, that's totally okay. Again, you should read the first 30 minutes and then review your entry. Like I said, you all started it last Friday, and so you should just be finishing it up today. And not a lot of you, but a few of you have messaged me and asked me how it was being graded and how many points and so on and so forth. And so now there's on here what each thing is. Um, and again, if you were doing prediction, it's right here. But if you're like, no, I'm not, I went ahead and linked right here the blog materials folder. So again, this has like all the different prompts that you're able to do, like characterization, the prediction one, adaptation, doing summary or tropes. And again, this would be like a TikTok kind of video entry. And then you would do like, what would you do if you were in the same situation as the person you're reading about? This works really well with memoir and also with biographies. Even in my book, I would definitely relate to some of the things that Robin DiAngelo is going through. And then remember connection, which is my favorite. Again, it's just like how you relate to this book and what is it making you think outside of that text. Again, make sure that if you do click on that link, and it'll have like the videos. I showed how to how to publish the blog. You should have published your link here for me so that I'm able to see it and go to it. And then if you wanted like another video of like how to add tables of contents, pictures, and text, it's right here. My blog, that is linked to, it's right here. I still haven't hit publish because I wanted to show you. This is what it looked like from last Friday. So I went ahead and updated today. Remember, your Google Sites is in your drive. If you don't know where it's at, you can always click up here and you want to hit a certain type. It would be a site and it's only owned by you. And then you click search and it'll pop up, right? And like I told you, I create websites all the time for different things. But remember, I made myself a folder. So go in that folder, open it up, and it brings up my website with this stuff. So I went through and finished up the white fragility. Remember, for this one, I was doing like adaptation. So how would I move this into like a TV show? And so I gave some examples of what that would look like. I have a picture of the book cover. Again, this is my first entry. If this were my second entry on it, maybe I'd have like, well, I guess I could add a picture of Robin. Let me go. Let's find a picture of Angelo photo. Okay, so let's find a photo that is a large size, want a good quality. All right, that works. So I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna save the image. So, okay, and then I'm gonna save, remember, I'm gonna copy the link address. So I'm gonna come back to my blog and then I want to insert an image. So I'm gonna upload, I think it was called Robin. Yeah, there she is. So I'll put that there. And then again, I'm gonna link it, put that there, hit apply, and then I can move some of this. Okay, cut. Okay. And then I'm going to come here. I'm going to add a text box, but I want to move this text box up here. Did it move? Kind of. Not really. Paste. Okay, I'm going to move this over. Perfecto. Now I'll move her image up. And got it. And I don't know if I can change, maybe move one paragraph down. put this just so it looks good. Again, remember, if you're like, I want to know how many words I've got, you can definitely fix that. Notice how I had changed the background color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for this one again. I want to do style 2, just to differentiate the different entries. Like this one's all in white, and then this one is in gray. So again, just kind of like showing who Robin DiAngelo, in case you're like, what? And it kind of explains why I was saying, like, when I heard white teachers were like recommending it, I was like, what? And then I realized that she was a white woman herself. All right. So anywho, I added some stuff. You could read it if you want. But again, I want to hit publish. So it's going to show me the draft. This is what it looks like now. And then here is what is already published. So I'm going to hit publish. And so now I can view my published site. And it has the stuff I wanted. All right. Again, still has my table of contents on there. And then that's it. Once you hit publish, you're done for today. And you can just, be done with it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I really miss you guys. Remember, you have all the stuff you need under the blogs folder. But again, I've linked it under today. So if you click this, it'll take you automatically there if you haven't done it. But here's the assignment. Again, message me if you have any problems.